Alright, today we're going to bring a large mirror, if you guys can see. This is a fog-proof mirror. That means if you're taking a shower back there and you turn it on, this thing's completely going to take off the fog, if you guys can see. It heats up, it will never fog, right? Now, you got a couple of controllers here. Turn the light, look at that. I'm going to mess around with the light here. You can turn it on, and it reflects the entire glass, alright? Now you can dim it down, you can change it to different dimensions. Look at this, not just the whole thing, but on the side of it, if you guys can see. Beautiful. So we're gonna change the tone, and you can keep that on if you want, the back end on, and then you can turn it off just by messing with the light, if you guys can see that. So you could have the back one off, and you could have the front one on, or you could turn them off on, and then you could have both of them on, one off, and then keep the other one in the back on. And it's very simple. So if you're ever gonna take a shower and you want more extra lighting effect, this is beautiful. Of course, my light's plugged into the wall, so every time I turn it off, this is what happens. So if you guys are looking for a great large mirror, look at this entire large mirror. This is perfect for those that are looking for a beautiful mirror for your bathroom. This is a lot larger than regular mirrors, but you can use either parallel or vertical, but the controls are over there, so just make sure that you're going to be able to touch them. All right, so hope you guys enjoy this video.